In this lesson, we are going to use the TI-30 multi-view calculator to calculate the present value of an investment. A child's grandparents wish to purchase a bond fund that matures in 16 years to be used for the grandchild's college education. The bond fund pays 5% interest compounded quarterly. How much should they purchase so that the bond fund will be worth $100,000 at maturity? Anytime we see the words compounded quarterly, we know that we have to use the compound interest formula. A is equal to P times 1 plus R over N to the NT power. In this case, we are not looking for A, which is the future value. We're looking for P, which is the present value. So the next thing that we want to do is to solve for P. In order to solve for P, we would divide both sides by 1 plus R over N to the NT power, which will leave us with P equal to A divided by 1 plus R over N raised to the NT power. Next, we have to determine our variables. We know that we hope to have $100,000 in our account. The interest rate is 5%. It is compounded quarterly, so N is equal to 4, and we're going to leave it there for 16 years and wait for it to mature. Now I have to put that into my formula. I have 100,000 divided by parenthesis 1 plus 0.05, because we're going to take the interest rate and write it as a decimal, divided by 4, and raise that to the 4 times 16 power, and that's going to give us P. So I'm going to put that in the calculator. I hit the N over D button to get a fraction. I enter 100,000. I toggle down or arrow down to get to the denominator. Parenthesis 1 plus, I put the N over D key again to get a fraction, 0.05, arrow down to get to the denominator, 4. I need to arrow to the right to get out of the denominator, parenthesis, I need to hit the caret or power button to put in my exponents, so it's parenthesis 4 times 16, close the parenthesis, enter. In order to have $100,000, I would need to invest $45,156.26 today.